is running low. Can you feel the flame, her fading glow? You know, we are slowing down. I can hear your footsteps drowning out. We're burning out, we're burning down. We're the ashes on the ground. We're burning out, we're burning down. We've fallen underground.
I'm speaking to a friend of mine, they're telling me that life, all the pain they're going through, they're dwelling on the strife. Thinking of the past, shit, they're yelling at it's shite. Struggling to handle it, it's overwhelming her tonight. So she's going to the shop now to buy some paracetamol. She can't cope no more, so going home to eat them all. She wants to be positive, but life has now defeated her. She can't cope with stress, I guess this life is beating her. She doesn't want to be like this, but everything has got to her. It's hitting her, all at once I'm struggling with stopping her. Hopefully I'm helping her, but can't always be watching her. But showing her the positive and people think a lot of her. That is just a blip, she's strong and she can beat this. Now she needs to talk on it and therapy's not weakness. But she feels weak now, I'm struggling to see this. Cause what she's overcome is the opposite of weakness.
You know, the fire's running low. Can you feel the flame, her fading glow? You know, we are slowing down. I can hear your footsteps drowning out. We're burning out, we're burning down. We're the ashes on the ground. We're burning out, we're burning down. We've fallen underground.
An abusive relationship where she's beating every day, where he tries to control her, take her power in anyway. We're sleeping on a park, but it's safer than to stay at home with this monster, but still can't run away. He's punching her and kicking her, but worse is the mental pain. If she went to the police, there's no doubt he'd be sent away. But he's controlling her, he's taking her self-esteem. This guy is an asshole, who's acting so damn selfishly. He's taking every part of her, he wants to take some more. So now he's holding her down, he's on top of her, he's raping her. The last bit of herself, this monster is now taking it. Her mind was so delicate, so this really is now breaking it. This is a past life, I guess she never dealt with it. She can't cope with the little things, so now she needs some help with it. Cause she tried to kill herself, but lucky someone found her. Now she needs our help, we need to rally round her.
You know,